Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by turning on developer options and enabling force activities to be resizable. This unlocks the system support you need. Once done, install a launcher or helper app that can create freeform tasks. You do this now because Android hides freeform controls by default. With the developer toggle active and a supporting app installed, you can proceed to launch apps in floating windows and control their size and placement. Now you create the freeform window. From the helper app, choose the app you want and select Open in Freeform or similar. The window appears as a floating task you can move by dragging the title area and resize from corners. This is how you convert a full-screen app into a multitaskable pane. Make sure to use gestures or the helper's controls to switch focus and stack windows, because system navigation and window focus behave differently than full screen. Finish by arranging and resizing your freeform windows into the layout you need. Many helpers let you snap or save layouts for repeat use. If an app resists entering freeform, toggle the developer option off and on, restart the helper, or reboot the device to refresh system services. If problems persist, enable the system flag via a DB enable freeform support and reboot. This forces the OS to expose freeform support when the simple toggles alone don't take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.